Imagine building a YouTube channel that attracts millions without ever showing your face or spending hours on content creation. I've uncovered a niche so powerful that all you need is a few clicks, some AI magic, and you're set to go viral. Curious? Let's dive in. Today, in the spotlight on YouTube channels that thrive without showing faces, I've discovered yet another incredible niche for you. As we all know, selecting a niche for your faceless YouTube channel is crucial. The niche should tick the following boxes: massive appeal, monetizable, easy video creation process, and proven to go viral. That's why I'm calling this one of the easiest niches to get started with right now. In fact, it's as easy as copying and pasting. I'll also share an AI tool that makes the whole video creation process super easy and effective. If that sounds too good to be true, keep watching and I'll prove it. The niche in question is space science and astronomy, which has gained immense popularity. To prove this niche works, here are some creators who are making both long videos and shorts on YouTube.
The biggest unsolved problem in science is finding the theory of everything, or TOE. It would be a single equation that could describe everything in the universe. An interesting thing about this study is that it goes back to the very origins of the dark matter theory, challenging the first piece of evidence ever found in its favor, the rotation curves. In 1933,
these creators are amassing thousands of subscribers, and their videos fetch substantial views. With views comes revenue, and it's clear that channels in this niche are making a decent income monthly. As per Social Blade, the rising views signal the niche's growing popularity, which is only expected to surge as space science advances and attracts new audiences, expanding its scope significantly. As you can see, this niche ticks all 4 requirements, making it one of the best niches to pursue for your faceless YouTube channel. Now, you might wonder how to start creating content in this niche without any expertise, where to source videos from, which AI tool to use, and how to find topic ideas. As mentioned earlier, the process is straightforward, requiring no specific expertise or experience. Let me explain it to you step by step. The AI tool we'll be using is called DupDub. It's an all-in-one content creation platform that allows you to effortlessly craft your content and streamline your workflow. It can generate video scripts, AI voiceovers, incorporate speaking AI avatars, add auto subtitles, and it has an easy-to-use video editor. Just a heads up, this AI tool does offer a brief free trial, but it isn't entirely free. This means you'll need to choose a paid plan to continue enjoying this fantastic tool. Now that we've got that out of the way, let's dive in. A common question that pops up when making YouTube videos is where to find clips or images for your content. For this specific niche, there's a treasure trove of copyright-free resources available to use for free. Just look up copyright-free videos from NASA on Google and hit the first link. This leads you to NASA's public library, stocked with videos, images, and audio clips. Say you're interested in content related to the moon. There, you'll find high-quality videos and images available for free. You can search for anything, like Mars, and you'll be supplied with all sorts of great material. To download a video, simply click on it, press the download button, select your desired video quality, and it will open in a new tab. From there, scroll to the bottom right, click on the 3 dots, and choose Download again. And remember, it's all copyright-free. You can double-check their usage guidelines to see for yourself. Since the kind of videos we are making are for educational purposes, you don't have to stress over copyright issues. However, if you plan to use this material commercially, you'll need special permission from NASA. Now, if you're pondering where to get ideas for such content, that's where ChatGPT shines. I would ask it for something like 10 ideas for space and astronomy YouTube videos, and here are a bunch of intriguing suggestions. Suppose we decide to make a video on the life and death of stars. We can head back to NASA's site and search for dying star or life cycle of a star to find relevant videos or images. The next step is generating a script. I also turn to ChatGPT to craft a detailed script on the topic of our choice. It provides an interesting script, complete with suggestions on what visuals should accompany each scene. This makes it easier to look for corresponding content on NASA's site. Alternatively, you could use DupDub's AI writing feature, powered by ChatGPT, for your script. Check the link in the description for additional 10% off. Both sources provide quality scripts, so it really boils down to personal preference. I'm not sure if you've caught on yet, but DupDub has streamlined the process of generating AI voiceovers directly from the script creation interface. The initial step involves removing any text that's not enclosed in quotation marks. Following this, you're presented with an extensive library of AI voices to choose from, including some premium options that sound remarkably realistic. Here's a sample of how these AI voices can sound.
Look up at the night sky. Those tiny twinkling lights are not just beautiful, they're the remnants of immense cosmic processes.
Additionally, you have the capability to modify the speed and pitch of the voiceover from the controls located above. DupDub doesn't stop there. It offers a plethora of advanced settings for fine-tuning your AI voiceover further. Among these features, the multiple voiceovers option stands out, allowing you to incorporate various AI voices into a single project for a dynamic and engaging video. Sticking to 2 or 3 different voices is advisable. Clicking it will import the voiceover into DupDub's user-friendly video editor. The next step involves uploading the clips you've acquired from the NASA website into this editor. You'll likely need to play the voiceover a few times throughout this process to ensure the visual content properly aligns. Each clip should be placed on the timeline in an order that matches the voiceover narration, and adjust the duration of the clips as necessary. Here are some essential steps you'll likely use frequently in your video editing process. To trim a clip, first, ensure it's highlighted, then click on the scissors icon, followed by the delete option to remove it. It's common for videos to come with their own soundtrack, so if you need to remove the original audio, click on the icon that allows you to separate audio from video, then delete the audio track. Next, I'll move quickly through adjusting the videos and images on the timeline to synchronize with the voiceover. After aligning the visuals with the audio, click on the text button. Here, you'll find an option for auto subtitles. Choose Subtitle Transcribe and select the video's language to auto-generate subtitles. Once added, clicking on a subtitle lets you edit it from the options. Here, you can bold the text, change the font by selecting any font you like, which applies to all subtitles, alter the color of the subtitles, and if you scroll down and check this option, you can add a stroke around the subtitles to make them more legible. Now, let's look at transitions. In the Transitions tab, you can insert transitions between clips by dragging and dropping them into place. You'll find basic transitions, 2D transitions, which I personally prefer, and even a few 3D transitions. DupDub also offers the capability to add effects to your videos to enhance their look. In the AI Avatar tab, there's an option to add a custom avatar. Simply upload a photo, and it will be transformed into a speaking avatar that delivers the entire voiceover. Once everything is finalized, head to the Export button, which opens a window where you can choose your export settings for the download. And that's how you've created your video using these steps.
Look up at the night sky. Those tiny twinkling lights are not just beautiful, they're the remnants of immense cosmic processes, the life and death of stars. Welcome to our channel, where today we'll explore the fascinating journey of stars from their birth in nebulas to their spectacular deaths.
Stars begin their lives in vast clouds of gas and dust called nebulas. Over millions of years, gravity pulls this material together, forming a dense core. As the core collapses, it heats up, and when the temperature reaches about 10 million degrees Celsius, nuclear fusion ignites.
If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please give it a like,